Vaccines train a person's immune system to recognize and clear out germs, bacteria and viruses that can cause serious illness. They strengthen your immune system by training it to recognize and fight against specific germs. Vaccines contain either killed or weakened versions of the virus that causes the disease or a small part of it, such as a protein or nucleic acid. When you get a vaccine, your immune system recognizes these as foreign. It responds by creating memory cells and antibodies that protect you against future infection. The coronavirus that causes COVID-19 has spikes of protein on each viral particle. These spike proteins allow the virus to attach to cells and cause disease. The vaccines in development help the body to recognize these spike proteins as foreign and fight the coronavirus that has them. The vaccine will protect a person who receives it by lowering their chances of getting COVID-19 if they encounter the coronavirus. If you have already had COVID-19 and recovered, you may have some natural immunity to contracting the disease again. However, because this virus is new, it's not clear how long natural immunity might last. Both the Pfizer and AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccines are very effective at preventing disease, hospitalization and death from COVID-19. Countries that have rolled out both vaccines have done studies based on real-world data. These studies suggest that both Pfizer and AstraZeneca vaccines are similarly effective, with no significant difference in the level of protection offered. Scientists will continue collecting evidence on the ongoing impact of vaccines. The TGA requires strong scientific data and analysis before approving a vaccine for use in Australia. The urgency of the global pandemic means that all available resources and efforts go towards developing and rolling out effective vaccines. Clinical trials progress more quickly if a disease is widespread, as is the case with COVID-19 in many countries. This means researchers can test a vaccine much sooner than they could for a rare infectious disease. Vector vaccines use a harmless, weakened animal virus that contains the genetic code for a protein unique to the coronavirus, usually the spike protein. This weakened animal virus is known as a viral vector. Once this enters the body, it instructs our cells to make the coronavirus spike protein. Our cells use these instructions to make copies of the protein. Our immune cells then recognize the spike protein as foreign and begin building an immune response against it.